What is that?
Đi ra ngoài bây giờ cái gì? Đi ngại. Đi thần kinh à, đi ra ngoài. Thôi vừa vừa thôi.
Okay, Miranda. So we are now in number 5. Okay, let's continue.
Mẹ đâu?
We were,
Ra bảo mẹ gọi gì đấy?
we were,
We were very pleased when they bought
mm-hmm.
the house as it was for sale for nearly 3 years.
Okay, so past perfect. How do we rewrite this statement in a correct way?
Thì gọi cái gì nè?
We were very pleased.
What?
We were very pleased.
Wait, wait. Ủa kìa.
Okay, okay.
Ôi. Bố đây. Bố đây. Mẹ gọi. We were very pleased when they bought the house as it was.
had been, had been, had- as it, so we will going to remove it. As it, we will going to replace
It
it.
ha, has,
Been,
has been for sale.
had been, had been for sale
Had been for sale for 3 years.
for nearly 3 years. Very good. Okay. Past perfect had been. Okay. How about number 6? So if number 5 is past perfect continuous, like we use this like, where is it? We organized. Okay, that had been organizing for weeks before his birthday. Had been is the past perfect and continuous is the organizing, which is a continuous action word. Okay. Number 6, Miranda. It was
It was dark, but it was clear that someone walked across the beach.
okay. So if you were gonna rewrite this statement, how you will gonna correct this sentence?
It was dark, but it was clear that someone was walking across the bridge.
Yes. Was using past continuous. Very good, Miranda.
People didn't used to worry about the environment. People didn't
Used to
used to
without the.
worry about.
Mhm. About
Yes,
the environment. Very good. Okay.
I wanted
Last
to go
one.
to Rome because I used to want it.
Because I had. I
I
wanted.
want to go to I want to go to Rome because I used to want to be an archaeologist.
Ar- archaeologist.
Archaeologist.
Yes. Okay. All right, Miranda. So let's move to activity 3. Choose the correct form of the verb A, B, or C to complete each sentence. So you will going to choose, it's a multiplication. Okay, you will going to choose if it's A, B, or C to complete each sentence. Okay, let's start. Number 3.
Choose
Ay,
the
number
correct form.
one. Sorry, number one. My aunt.
My aunt and uncle didn't have a car, so they bought
Yes, they bought. Letter A. Bought. They bought.
last year.
Yes, they bought one last year. Okay, number two. When I got home.
When I got home yesterday, I felt quite tired because I I had been sitting.
Yes, I had been sitting. Letter B.
I don't think
I had been okay.
I
I had been sitting. I tired. I had been sitting an exam.
all afternoon.
An exam all afternoon. Very good. Number three. I don't think.
I don't think I'd meet Holly before last week party.
Okay. Is it with this? D? I don't think I'd met.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Holy before last week party. Okay, number four. Okay, hold up.
Seen
Hold on a
Seen used to go out with somebody else last summer, but now he's my sister boyfriend. Mm.
Mm-hmm. So we are on number four. What is your answer? Number four,
I,
Sean.
I,
Sean.
I, I,
Is it A? Sean used to go out with somebody.
yes,
Or Sean,
was going out.
yes, was going out with somebody else all last summer. Okay, number four is a past continuous. Was going out. Okay, number five, Miranda. Okay, number five. By the time
By the time he was 30,
he
he had, he became
he
one
ha-
of the leading he became
he became one.
of the leading expert in his field.
Yes, very good. He became. Okay. Number six. Last one.
When I arrived at
Mickey's house.
everyone was watching.
Everyone, yes, was watching. Letter. Okay, I think Miranda, the answer for number five is wrong. Okay, by the time, because the word by the time. Hmm? With the word by the time, it is showing an action to complete before a specific age or milestone. So it should be, our answer should be had become, or it's a past perfect simple because of the word by the time. So by the time he was 30, he had become one of the leading experts in his fields. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, because the word okay, one more. So because of the word by the time, I also got confused. Because of the word by the time, it is showing an action which is completed before a specific age or milestone. All right. So the answer should be had become or past perfect simple. Okay, so let's move to activity 4. Use the given verb form to complete the sentences. Okay, so I was like past continuous, past perfect. Wait, let me zoom it out a bit. Past continuous, past perfect, continuous, used to, past continuous, past perfect, and would. So you will going to complete each gap. Uh, com- you will going to fill each gap to complete the sentence. Okay, number one. This afternoon,
This afternoon, I saw my sister Ellen while
Aileen, while
I was doing my homework.
while I was doing my homework, very good. I was, past continuous. Your answer is while I was doing. Was is the past tense and doing is the continuous action. Very good, Miranda. Okay, number two. I could.
I could see he was upset. His eyes were red because
Mm-hmm.
he had been crying a lot.
Wow, okay. He had been crying. Past perfect continuous. Okay, past perfect is had been. So you remembered. And crying is a continuous action. I could see she was upset. His eyes was red because he had been crying. Very good. Well done, Miranda. Okay, number three. Let's move to number three. Nowadays.
Nowadays, I follow quite a healthy diet. But
Mm-hmm.
when I was younger, I used to
Yes, very good. I used to just
I
simple as
I
that.
used to I
Mm-hmm.
used to sleep late.
Nowadays, I follow quite a healthy diet, but okay, but we are talking about diet, Miranda. Nowadays, I follow quite a healthy diet, but when I was younger, I used to
What is diet?
diet like your eating habits, your lifestyle. Like
Uh,
for example, your lifestyle, healthy diet is a healthy lifestyle. So like you have
but
you're
when I
eating
was younger, I used to eat
eat
snacks.
yes, eat or not junk foods, right?
Mhm.
Yes, junk foods. Very good. Well done, Miranda. Okay, number four. I made past continuous. Again, I made.
I made friends with lots of people when I I was I was
Mhm.
at my I was walking through the road to school, through the way to school.
Yes, very good. Okay, so you have a complete understanding of how to use this past tense. Okay, number five.
I
I
made
had, I
I
had,
had lunch date with my news
mm-hmm.
manager, but I was late, and by the time I arrived, she
Mm-hmm.
had
Very good. She
had
had, mm-hmm.
she had been
No, you can remove the bean. She
she
had,
had
because, mm-hmm.
waited waited for a long time.
Yes, I had lunch date with my new manager, but I was late, and by the time I arrived, she had.
She had waited by a long time for a long time.
Yeah, she had waited for a long time. Or it can be she had already left. She had already left. Because she is waiting for a long time. Okay, last one, Miranda, number 6.
When we were kids, our parents took us on
Mhm.
family holiday when we would like to.
Where we would, okay, your parents took you, yeah, when you were
Where
kids,
we
when we were kids,
would
our
be safe,
where we where we
would be
would
safe,
what is your answer?
where we would be happy.
Okay, where we would happy, or it can be an action, like what is it? Holiday. It means we were going to,
Where we would swimming.
yes, where we would go swimming. Very good, Miranda. You did a great job. Okay, so let's move to the next page, which is speaking. Okay, look at the screen, Miranda. What can you see in these two pictures? What are they doing?
There, I think the first picture is taken by street. I can see
Outside, in the outdoor. Okay.
outdoor. I think I can see a woman and a
Yes.
man is having their meals. The
Very
woman
good.
having some salad and some
Mm-hmm.
grapes
Yes. Sandwiches.
and a glass of water too.
Okay. Or sparkling water. Very good, Miranda. How about the second picture?
I think
I see.
I can see a
Mm-hmm.
family is eating. I think they are eating lunch because the weather looks quite light
Yeah.
and
Bright.
quite
Bright.
bright and sunny.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Very, very happy.
Yes. Well done. Okay. So in this activity, Miranda, okay, number 1, activity 1, look at the photos A and B. We can use a sentences A to F to compare two photos. So we will go in to compare the two pictures. Fill in the gaps 1 to 8 with these words. You can use some of them more than once. Okay, you can use this word more than once. So we have here both, difference,
Both
different.
different, different, other,
Mhm.
same, similar, similarity.
Yes. So we will go into complete each sentence using these words. You can use it more than once. Okay, let's start in.
In both of these photos,
Mm-hmm.
there are some people eating out, but in this one, they are in a street cafe. In this photo, there are two people, but in
In the, yes,
the
go ahead.
the one, there is a family of three.
What is your answer for number 2?
Other,
Is it other, but in the other? Hmm?
these are two, these
Mm-hmm.
two are
Two people, but in the other. Okay, so your
same
answer
in
here is
age,
other.
same in age,
Okay, these two
same,
are,
same,
okay, same. Very good.
about 30, unlike the family inside the restaurant.
One,
One
Mm-hmm. One.
Có. Thì đây là họ bật mãi. One difference between the photo. Difference.
Yes, different.
No, difference.
Difference. Okay. One different. Is it one difference?
Because different is not a word,
One different.
now
Okay, wait.
between the
Where are we
photo.
on letter D? Okay, number 4.
One difference between the photo is
It
that
is different.
difference
Yes.
between the photo is that
Is that?
both both both
Okay, wait. Okay,
other
number 4. Same in age, about 30. Unlike the family inside the restaurant. One.
one different
Different between the photo
between
is
the photo
that.
is that both is that similarity show
One different between the photo is that.
other
Also different. Okay, one different between the photos is that different show people eating a quick lunch. Okay. So number 4, we use different because it is an individual in photo A. Look to be young and adults around. Okay, about 30 years old. It says that in age about 30, unlike the family inside the restaurant. Hello. And one different one different between the photo is that also different. It means hello. It means a casual summer streetwear. Okay. So it's different. It means different in people appearance. Okay. So it's a quite um s-
and then
yes, different. It's a bit confusing, Miranda. Okay, it's a bit confusing, but the answer here is both different. Okay?
gạt lên xem nào. Chị Mang học xong chưa? Chưa.
All right. So letter E, but in some ways,
And so what the situation in the photo is quite similar.
okay, quite similar. Very good.
The biggest
Mm.
difference.
Yes, the biggest
Difference
difference between, yes, so
that
it here we
that
are comparing it
shows people laughing and enjoying music.
together. But in
But
the
in the similarity,
but in the other,
but in the other one, they are looking at the food, not at each other.
yes, but in the other one, very good.
Blah.
Okay, so we have completed each sentences with these words given inside the box. Okay, so let's move to activity 2. Look at photos 1 and 2. Which of points a pair, okay, which of points A to F, sorry, A to F are the same or similar in two photos and which are different? Okay, so you will going to compare
Đi Trang có quần áo đi hai đứa.
two pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, let me just erase all of it.
Tắm hàng
Miranda.
nào cũng phải các bạn nào. Nhìn nó
Okay,
vừa thôi.
Miranda. So
Ơ,
you
tưởng
will.
sáng nay tao tắm mà.
Mhm.
Học đi.
Okay, so in this activity, Miranda, you will going to compare. Okay, compare photo picture 1 to picture 2. Which of points A to F are the same or similar in the two photos and which are different? For example, in terms of the place. So, what is the similarity and what is the difference between the photo A and photo B?
The
Picture A.
difference, the food.
Let's start with the place. The
The
place.
place, one is in a cafe, in a street cafe, and one is in a house.
Okay,
Share.
so you can just simply say that one. The picture one is outdoors. Outdoors. Hmm. And the picture B or photo B is indoors or inside the establishment.
The food in picture A is healthy, but the food in picture B is not very healthy.
Not
The number of
very
people
good.
in picture A is fewer than the number of people in picture B. The
Mm-hmm.
people age in picture A is quite similar.
Mm-hmm. It's
But
similar.
in picture B is different. The
Mm-hmm.
people appearance. What is appearance?
Appearance, your appearance. Like how you dressed, um how you present yourself to the public, your appearance. Are you neat or no? Like for example, before you go out, are you looking for your appearance in the mirror? Are you checking your appearance? Is it okay, is it appropriate or is it not? So appearance is about our look. Our look. That is appearance. The people's appearance.
The appearance in picture A is
Mm-hmm.
different from picture B because in picture A they're looking on their foot, but in picture B they're looking at each other and have a pretty smile.
Yes, a pretty smile. Very good. Okay.
People in both picture A and B is eating lunch, I think,
Eating lunch. Okay. Or having a meals.
having a meals.
Yes, having a meals. Okay. Well done, Miranda. Okay. Number 3. Look at the photos. Okay. Look at the picture 3 and 4 on page 96 and the next page. And note down as many points of similarity and difference as you can. Okay, quick steps to part 2. Can you read this first before we proceed on part 2?
Think about what you are going to say before you start speaking. Don't try to describe everything in a photo. Just mention
Mm-hmm.
as many similarities and difference as you can. When your partner is speaking, listen to what they say but don't interrupt. At the end, the examiner will ask you a question on the topic. So think about your own ideas.
Yes, think about your own ideas. All right. So let's move to the next page. So there's a picture A and picture B. So what do you think is picture A? So they are both in the market. What kind of market is picture A and what kind of market is picture B? Oh, okay, Miranda. Let's just try to compare this picture, okay, before we finish our lesson. Where is she? So it's both market. It's both
But
market.
the first picture is inside market. In the second picture is outside market.
Or the first picture is a market which is in the mall or supermarket. We call it supermarket. And in picture B, it is a local community market. Okay?
Okay.
One is in a supermarket and the other one is in a local market. Okay, Miranda, since we don't have much time, we will going to continue this lesson tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you again tomorrow, Miranda. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Bye bye. 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 Bye bye.
Bye-bye.